Welcome back, everyone. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or planning your very first long-haul adventure, this guide is for you. Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: how to not just survive, but truly enjoy long-haul flights, especially for travelers over 60. Long flights can be challenging for anyone, but as we age, there are extra things to consider to arrive feeling refreshed and ready for adventure. Instead of the usual travel tips, I'm revealing the top 10 mistakes to avoid. These can turn a dream trip into a nightmare if you're not prepared. We'll cover hydration, movement, medication, sleep, and more, with science-backed advice and pro-level secrets to help you travel smarter. Grab a notepad and stick around for bonus tips that will change your travel game. By the end, you'll be ready to conquer any long-haul journey with confidence. So, whether you're flying across the country or around the world, let's get you set for a smooth, comfortable, and memorable flight. Ready to take off? Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, ignoring hydration. Airplane cabins are drier than deserts, and as we age, our bodies hold less water, making dehydration a real risk for seniors. Dehydration can cause headaches, fatigue, and even increase your risk for blood clots, especially on long flights. Don't wait for the drink cart. Bring an empty, reusable water bottle, fill it after security, and sip water regularly throughout your journey. Aim for a cup of water every hour in the air. If you need flavor, add a lemon or lime wedge. Skip sodas, juices, caffeine, and alcohol. They dehydrate you further. Stick to plain water for the best results. Start hydrating before you board and keep it up until you land. Your body will thank you and you'll arrive feeling refreshed and ready for adventure. Mistake number 2, sitting still for hours on a long flight. It may feel comfortable at first, but staying seated too long can be risky, especially for seniors. Sitting for long stretches increases your risk of deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, dangerous blood clots that can form in your legs. To keep your blood flowing, get up and walk the aisle every hour or two. Stretch your legs, roll your shoulders, and move your feet. Even in your seat, do simple exercises. Circle your ankles, flex and point your toes, or lift your heels for mini calf raises. These small movements help prevent swelling and keep your circulation healthy. Set a timer on your phone as a reminder to move. Remember, even small actions can make a big difference for your health and comfort during air travel. Mistake number 3, skipping or mismanaging your medications. For seniors, this can have serious consequences, especially when traveling. Even missing a single dose can trigger health issues or flare-ups. This is especially true for chronic conditions like high blood pressure or diabetes. Time zones can make things tricky. Before your trip, talk to your doctor or pharmacist about your travel plans. They can help you adjust your medication schedule safely. Set alarms on your phone or watch as reminders. Always keep essential medications in your carry-on, in original bottles with prescription labels. Pack enough for your trip, plus a few extra days in case of delays. Your health is your most valuable travel companion. Plan ahead and stay consistent. Mistake 4, forgetting to pack your carry-on with true essentials. Your carry-on is your lifeline during travel. So what should always be inside? Start with the basics: medications, passport, credit cards, and travel documents. These must always be with you, never in checked luggage. Take photos of your important documents and email them to yourself, or store them securely on your phone as a backup. Pack a change of clothes, travel-sized toiletries, a toothbrush, and face wipes for freshness on long flights. Comfort items matter. Bring a neck pillow, eye mask, earplugs, or noise-canceling headphones to help you rest. Healthy snacks like nuts, fruit, or protein bars are a must. Airline food isn't always reliable. If you wear glasses or hearing aids, pack spares and extra batteries. Diabetics: keep your meter, strips, and a sugar source handy. Include copies of prescriptions and a doctor's note if needed, especially for medical devices or medications. Before you zip up, lay out everything and double-check your list. A quick review can save you major headaches later. Remember, your carry-on is your survival kit. Don't leave comfort or safety to chance. A well-packed bag means peace of mind and a smoother journey. Mistake 5, overindulging in alcohol or caffeine during your flight. It's tempting to accept that complimentary glass of wine or an extra cup of coffee, but both alcohol and caffeine are diuretics. They pull water from your body and make dehydration worse at altitude. Alcohol's effects are amplified in the air. Even a single drink can hit harder, disrupt your sleep, and interact dangerously with medications you may be taking. Caffeine, on the other hand, can make you jittery, anxious, and throw off your sleep schedule, leaving you feeling even more tired when you land. The best choice? Water. Always. Bring a reusable bottle and ask the flight attendant to fill it up. Sip regularly throughout your journey. If you do choose to have a drink or coffee, balance it with extra water. For every cup of coffee or glass of wine, drink at least one full glass of water. But honestly, the smartest move is to save the wine or coffee for after you land. Staying hydrated and clear-headed is far more valuable in the air. Choose wisely. Your body will thank you, and you'll arrive feeling fresher, more alert, and ready to enjoy your destination. Mistake 6. Ignoring sleep and rest. On long-haul flights, quality rest is your secret weapon for arriving refreshed and ready to explore. Treat your flight as transition time. Start adjusting to your destination's time zone as soon as you board. If it's nighttime where you're headed, make sleep a priority. Choose a window seat if possible. It lets you lean against the wall and control the light, making it easier to rest undisturbed. Use a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs or noise-canceling headphones to create a restful environment, blocking out distractions and cabin noise. Establish a pre-sleep ritual. Brush your teeth, wash your face, change into comfortable clothes, and dim your personal light. These cues help signal your body that it's time to rest, even at 35,000 feet. Let the flight attendants know you don't want to be disturbed during rest. Recline your seat if possible and use a blanket to stay cozy. Even if you can't sleep deeply, simply closing your eyes and relaxing helps recharge your body and mind. Avoid powering through with movies or books. Arriving exhausted can ruin your trip. Prioritize rest and you'll land ready to enjoy your adventure. Remember, your vacation starts on the plane, so give yourself permission to relax. Mistake 7. Eating heavy, greasy meals before or during your flight. Cabin pressure causes gas to expand, making bloating and discomfort worse with heavy foods. Salty, fatty, or gas-producing foods, like burgers, fries, beans, and carbonated drinks, are best avoided when flying. Instead, eat a light, balanced meal before your flight. Think lean protein, whole grains, and veggies. On board, choose lighter options or bring your own healthy snacks. Nuts, fruit, and protein bars are great choices to keep your energy steady. Eating light keeps your gut happy and your energy up, making the journey more comfortable. Don't starve yourself, just make smart choices. A comfortable stomach means a much happier flight, and your body will thank you when you land ready to explore. Mistake 8. Neglecting compression socks. A simple tool that can make a world of difference on long flights. Compression socks aren't just for hospitals. They're a travel essential, especially for seniors. They help prevent swelling, reduce the risk of deep vein thrombosis, and keep your legs feeling fresh. Look for graduated compression socks. 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury is ideal for most travelers. Put them on before you board and keep them on for the entire journey. Make sure they fit snugly but comfortably. No bunching or pinching. If you have circulation issues or diabetes, check with your doctor for the best fit. Pair compression socks with regular movement. Get up every hour or so, stretch your legs, and do simple foot exercises in your seat to boost circulation. These small steps can help prevent puffy ankles, achy legs, and serious health risks, so you arrive feeling comfortable and ready to explore. Don't underestimate the power of compression socks. Combine them with hydration and movement for maximum benefit on your next long-haul flight. Mistake 9. Forgetting to inform the airline of your special needs before you travel. Airlines can only help if they know what you need. Whether you require wheelchair assistance, help with boarding, or extra time at security, let them know as soon as you book your ticket. Special meals for dietary needs, accessible seating, and mobility aids are all available, but you must request them at least 48 hours before your flight. Contact the airline by phone or use their website to make your requests. Don't wait until check-in. Early communication is key. If you need mobility help, dietary accommodations, or seating preferences, be specific. The more details you provide, the better the airline can support you. Remember, you're not a burden. You're being proactive about your comfort and safety. Most airlines are happy to help when given notice. Clear communication ensures a smoother, safer journey. Advocate for your needs and you'll travel with greater confidence and peace of mind. Mistake 10. Underestimating jet lag. Jet lag is more than just feeling tired. It can disrupt your sleep, mood, and digestion, especially for seniors. The key to beating jet lag is preparation. Start shifting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip. Go to bed and wake up closer to your destination's time zone. On the flight, try to sleep if it's nighttime at your destination. Use a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs to help you rest, even if it's just a short nap. After landing, Get outside in natural sunlight as soon as possible. Light exposure helps reset your body clock and signals your brain that it's time to be awake. Avoid long naps. If you must nap, keep it under 30 minutes. In the evening, avoid bright screens and eat a light meal to help your body adjust. Be patient. Your body needs time to adjust. Hydrate, eat light, and stick to a routine. With smart planning, you'll have more energy to enjoy your trip from the moment you arrive. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our guide. Let's quickly recap the top 10 mistakes to avoid on long-haul flights. Skipping hydration, sitting still for hours, forgetting medications, leaving essentials out of your carry-on, overindulging in alcohol or caffeine, ignoring sleep, eating heavy meals, neglecting compression socks, not informing the airline of special needs, and underestimating jet lag. Avoiding these pitfalls means a safer, healthier, and much more enjoyable journey, so you can arrive refreshed and ready to explore. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your best long-haul travel tip? Share your wisdom in the comments below and help fellow travelers. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel and wellness advice tailored for you. Safe travels, stay healthy, and may your next adventure be your best yet. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. You're ready for takeoff.